So tonight's fiasco, I get to take my spindle out and put a new one in and eat some beef jerky. So behind me, yeah, there's Pac-Man. I'm gonna get to work on this, get the old spindle out, new spindle in, go. Buttoned back up. I'm taking a minute to have a snack after I've been working on this for approximately an hour, maybe a little bit more. I got the spindle connected, I got the light transferred over. Pac-Man is going to be happy. This is essentially Pac-Man's new set of chompers. Slew of tools and everything on here. I always have my multimeter here just to double check and make sure that there is no live power when I'm messing around with some wires in there. Yeah, now I can hit the go button. Let's turn power on. Let's see, on. There goes the spindle, spinning itself up. I'll turn it right back off. Time to button this all back up and make it look pretty. The thing's a little bit different about this spindle is up here in the connectors, wired slightly different. So that means I've got to go down in here, take some light, and I got to pull this apart, my VFD, pull my VFD apart. There's my remote wire switch that goes up to my VFD control. But in here, and this is powered on, so I don't want to touch anything, but I got to switch just two of these wires around right there. I gotta switch one and switch it over to the other one and swap them, and then my motor will be spinning in the proper direction. All right, motor, spin. That's better. And turn it off. Hooray for electricity.